Good day, my friends, and how are you doing? I am Eric Anderson, and I'm here once again with the Metronome Beats app, and I'm actually going to map out a cool drum rhythm. This one is features kind of like the chorus and the intro drum track of the Red Hot Chili Peppers' Scar Tissue. Now, I got to say this right up front, and we all know that this is true. This Metronome Beats app is nice, but it does not have that thick pocket and groove that Chad Smith has got when he plays with the Red Hot Chili Peppers. And this song, Scar Tissue, is like one of those songs that it's not necessarily difficult. It's just got a groove to it that is so infectious. This app won't get anywhere close to that groove, but at least it will get you in the ballpark so that when you're practicing at home and working on this, trying to get the phrasing right, hopefully this drum track will help you out a bit. So what we're starting here with is a blank page, so to speak. The song is at approximately 88 beats a minute, at least based on the studio version of it. I have the metronome set up where there are 4 beats. This this rhythm is just done over 4 beats. And I added in 4 clicks to each beat so I could have the 16th note available. These boxes here being beat 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what I came up with on this one was I did the following. First, I built this one up from figuring out the bass drum line first and then the snare line, and then actually adding in as little of the hi-hat as necessary. So what I came up with is your bass drum plays on 1, the of 1, and I believe it's the and of 3. The snare drum plays on 2, the of 2, and 4. And then what I did with the hi-hat is that I just have the closed hi-hat on 1, closed hi-hat on 2, closed hi-hat on 3, closed hi-hat on 4, and then the open hi-hat on the and of 4, so that when it comes back around, it will close back up on 1. So once I got all that going, then this is what the basic drum track sounds like that you can practice along with for Scar Tissue. So you get a 2 measure count in, and 1, 2, ready, go. And to be honest with you, I didn't take the time to get out the bass or the guitar to try to figure out exactly what the guys in the band were doing with their instruments. But what you do have here is just a basic way, a simple way to set up the Metronome Beats app so it will kind of mimic Chad Smith's drum track. Again, admitting right up front, it is nowhere close to the nice thick groove and deep pocket that is the Red Hot Chili Peppers. I think only Chad can bring that out the way that he does in the context of that band. But hopefully this will help you if it's a song that you're working on, and really, I gotta say this too. I do these songs not so much because I want to show you how to map this song out as much as it is I want you to see how to map out any song in the drum set page of the app on your own, so that you can put these things together, any song that you want, and sit down and start grooving along with it. So if there's another song you'd like to see me map out, just to hit me up. I gotta ask this though, if you do, make sure that you give me the song title and also the artist that actually performed the version that you're listening to. Because for any given song title, there might be 500 different songs out there by different artists. And then on the other side of the coin, it might be the same song, but 500 different artists have done it in very different ways. So if you got a specific thing that you're thinking about, give me the song and give me the artist that plays the version that you're listening to. That includes whether it's in the studio track or if it's a live track. All that stuff makes a difference only because I want to hear the music that you're listening to so that I can try to map out the rhythm, the drum set rhythm based on what I hear. Okay, so that's it, my friends. Have fun. We'll see you on the next video, okay? Bye-bye.